All right. Well, this is a little bridge page. My name is Rick, and I'm here to help you. If you want to make money with $25 one up or anything else, I mean, this is so simple. This stuff, and it's paying through the mail and cash or Bitcoin or Cash App or whatever you want to do. If you want to make some money, you can get started for free or, you know, in any of the paid levels, and you only pay one time. That's the miracle of this company is that you pay one time and you can earn forever for years and years. So just get a hold of me. We have Facebook groups that talk about it. We have conference calls, everything. It's incredible. So take a look, and I'm glad to help you out as best I can because I'm real. You can call me, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care and best riches. Bye for now. Oh, and look up the other stuff.